We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to all of our customers' needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.